Question 10 is asking us for the equation of y equals the square root of x plus 1 squared plus 4 after a horizontal translation 3 units left, then a horizontal expansion by a factor of 2. So if we're going left by 3 units, that is going to be the same as replacing x with x plus 3, because it's always the opposite of the way we want to move the function. And for our horizontal expansion, by 2, we're going to replace x with 1/2 x. Again, the opposite of what we want to change our function to. So let's rewrite the equation we have. We have y equals square root of x plus 1 squared plus 4. So I'm going to start by doing my horizontal translation 3 units to the left. This is going to give me y equals square root of, I'm just replacing x with x plus 3. So I get x plus 3, and I still have this plus 1 here. That's going to be squared plus 4. Okay, so if I evaluate this out, get the square root of x plus 4 squared plus 4. So now I want to do my horizontal expansion by a factor of 2. And so what I'm doing is I am replacing x with 1/2 x. But in this case, what's tricky is that it's kind of hard to tell from the question, but what they want is a horizontal expansion that maintains the horizontal translation that we've already done. So in this case, we have to apply the 1/2 to both x and the plus 4 in our equation. So this is going to look something like this. One half times x plus 4, that whole thing squared, and then plus 4 on the outside. So that's going to give us square root of 1/2 x, and 1/2 of 4 is 2, so I have a plus 2 squared plus 4. And so this is our correct answer, but this is going to give us a horizontal expansion by a factor of 2 while maintaining that translation we just did, and that's why we applied it to the plus 4 that was in the squared term. If they were asking for horizontal expansion around the y-axis, this would actually change where we translated our function to, and that would be just applying the 1/2 to the x by itself. So that would give us y equals the square root of 1/2 x plus 4 squared plus 4, like that. So this isn't what the question was asking. This is our right answer, but it's important to understand the difference.